3rd gen RAM if you want to power your radar detector or even your dash cam on the inside. So I'm going to power it off so I can wire it directly. So I have a radar detector on the mount here. I'm going to power it directly. So I got the pigtail here from the radar detector. Now this RAM obviously had the auto dimming mirror in it and also has a Uconnect function. That's what this bigger plug is for. But if you take the smaller plug, the 2 wires on the ends of this, which being the black obviously is negative, and this white wire with the blue stripe on the end is your ignition 12 volt. So those are the wires I got my radar detector wired off of. Again, that's an ignition feed, and you can run a dash cam or anything like that off of here. So here I have my radar detector installed. That's how I wanted it. I didn't want it hanging down too far onto the windshield, and the wire passes right in between and through the mirror, and that goes on and off with the key now, so there's no extra wires hanging. I think that's one of the best ways to go, is a permanent stick-on mount to the glass if you are putting it on the glass. I've tried the other suction cup style ones, and even the ones that hang off of the mirror. It just would not hold it correctly. This is nice and steady, nice and tight. That's how I want it. It might be too high up here. We'll see. Might have to move it around further down or something. We can always do that. Thanks for watching.